FCRA Amendment Bill to be introduced in Lok Sabha by Shri Amit Shah. In detail, Home Minister Amit Shah is likely to move the Foreign Contribution Act, that is the FCRA Amendment Bill, in the Rajya Sabha today. The bill seeks to amend the FCRA, under which office bearers of any NGO are obliged to provide the Aadhaar numbers for registration. The bill also seeks to stop public servants from receiving funds from abroad. The Foreign Contribution Regulation Bill 2020 was introduced in the Lok Sabha by Minister of State for Home, Shri Roy. Mr. Roy said that there would be no discrimination. The permission which was given earlier to religious institutions for foreign contributions but these institutions should not deviate from their objective and not be a threat to the country's security. The draft bill proposes that not more than 20% of the total foreign funds received could be spent on administrative expenses. Presently, the limit is 50%. Manish Tiwari of the Congress objected to the bill and made a request to the government to relax the provisions of the FCRA. Restrictions have also been put on NGOs under the proposed amendment on how they can utilize the foreign funding. The proposed amendment to the Act says NGOs cannot use more than 20% of their foreign contributions towards meeting administrative expenses. Currently, the limit is 50% for paying salaries or meeting other administrative needs. The amendments, if passed, will also prevent transfer of foreign contribution from one association or person to another. The amended bill allows NGOs to receive foreign donations exclusively in a designated FCRA account to be opened in the State Bank of India at New Delhi, or as the sender shall specify by notification. However, the entities may also open one or more accounts in other banks for keeping or utilizing the foreign contribution received from the FCRA account in SBI, New Delhi, the draft says. The statement of objects and reasons of the bill says there is need to streamline the provisions of FCRA by strengthening the compliance mechanism, enhancing transparency and accountability in the receipt and utilization of foreign contribution worth thousands of crores of rupees every year, and facilitating genuine NGOs or associations who are working for the welfare of the society. The Parliament witnessed a high-voltage drama on Tuesday as the leaders from opposition parties boycotted the proceedings of both Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha over the suspension of 8 MPs over their misconduct in the House. The opposition leaders listed out 3 demands from the government, including revocation of the suspension of 8 MPs. Leader of opposition in Rajya Sabha, Ghulam Nabi Azad, said they would boycott the proceedings till the suspension of members is revoked, and also demanded that the government bring another bill to ensure that no private player should buy food grains from farmers below the MSP fixed by the government. Rajya Sabha Deputy Chairman Shri Harivamsh, who was on a one-day fast to express anguish by the humiliating conduct that he was subjected to in the upper house, has broken his fast. News Desk, Karma News.